to try and do today, we're going to do some throwing and catching for yourself. The focus is on the catching, not the throwing, so really emphasize your catching skills. To do a catch, we're going to start off with beginner's level. So we're going to start off with our soft object. I've chosen Pikachu here as my soft object. B-Dog's chosen his toy. He wants to squeak it, so hopefully he doesn't do that in this video, but we'll see how we go. So we've got a soft toy that we're going to throw up and catch. Now for our catching, what we need to do, make sure you clear the space below. So I've got some balls here. I'm going to clear that out of the way so I'm not tripping on anything. I'm not going to fall over. That's the main thing. Make sure you've got space. Alright, I've got a little bit of room. I'm outside and it's a nice day, but if you're inside, make sure you've got nothing overhead, no objects that could knock over with your activity. What we're going to do very simply, catching, here's how we do it. Here's the technique. Step 1, make sure your feet are about shoulder width apart and you're nice and comfortable. You're loose, feels good, knees are ready to move if you have to. Step 2 is the throw. We don't want to throw it too high, we want to throw it just above our head so it gives us time to get into position. We're going to throw Pikachu up and then we're going to get into position. Our hands are going to come out like tiger claws. So tiger claws out, ready to grab onto Pikachu or onto your object, onto your toy, and grip close onto them. We do not want to try and catch and bring it to our chest. We want to reach out and grab the object with soft hands. So tiger claws go out, soft hands, and then we're going to squeeze our elbows right by our side like a chicken. In like a chicken. Alright, so let's see that in motion. Alright, nice and relaxed feet. Feeling good. Throwing up. Hands out like a tiger. Grab. And like a chicken. Let's see that again. Alright, throwing up. Hands out. Catch. Soft hands. Squeeze like a chicken with your arms. Last one. Throw up. Catch. Elbows by side like a chicken. And there you go. That's how you catch.